It means today is Demolition Derby. Today I'm gonna blow up the most so far I think the most successful map I ever made apparently. Because I got the so far still the most view. It's my Cops and Robber world. Apparently it's that popular. I don't know what I did to it, but yeah, it's really popular. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you the whole place. if you're gonna like it, you're gonna like it. See? Put some TNT here. Get out. Okay, now put some TNT there. Great. Not the time he should be joining right now. But well. Well, so I'm gonna have company at least. So I can blow this place apart. Maybe I should get more TNT for this. Well. I'm gonna run out of TNT just for this place only. So, keep going. Come on, keep putting TNT. Yeah, I'm just gonna blow up. Well, well. If you like me, watch me destroy things every Monday. You can, click a like button. If you like, that means they prove they like watching me do it. Blow things up every Monday morning, every Monday night. So yeah. Okay. So yeah. Another thing, they can send me one of your map I can destroy for you. For you. For like, say any kind of thing you built, and I'll destroy it. And I'll call at the same time too. So maybe I want to play it. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Let's see if I can destroy the whole thing. Come on. How about enough TNT? I thought about how at least over 500 TNT I'm gonna blow up, so yeah. This is gonna be big. This is gonna be big, it's gonna be epic. Oh man, I'm putting a lot of TNT. I think it's gonna be not enough TNT to me. Hope I would have enough. Yeah. Now to search some library. I know everyone don't like books. Unless you're a bookworm. Then yeah, heck is. So yeah. Destroying everything. I'm gonna destroy everything in sight. No, nothing left behind. Okay. I'm just gonna warn you, it's gonna lag out a lot after I let it out. So yeah, I can warn you it's gonna lag a lot. So well, this thing is rest of my TNT to blow up my sumo tool I made. Okay, that's weird. TNT's not blowing up. Okay. Okay, I think it'll go boom. Well, let's find out. It's gonna go boom now. Over 500 TNT. Do not want to get into it. Let's go. Boom. Is that it? Nope, I'm still lagging bad. Well, that didn't work too well, but just try again. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Try again. Let's see what it's doing. Yeah. See, I'm fully lagging every time. Okay, I'm lagging so bad right now. You have no idea. Could redo it. I lag so much that something went wrong. Oh. So yeah. Let's see. I'm back and I'm with the bros and with the most still TNT. Try this one. Uh-oh. This one's gonna be a big one. Maybe not. Trying to look for a perfect one explode. I could explode so bad. Eeh. Wow. I think I did some damage somewhere. But you can see it's fully trashed now. Jeez. Wow. I don't even know what happened anymore. That's the last place in the blow up is here. Uh oh. Big one. It's a big one. I'm lagging again, lagging. I missed a big explosion somewhere. Wow. Still going on. Wow. Wow. I lag so much. What if I'm still map can't handle it? How much destruction I just did. Well, the one off is gone. Heck, anything's gone. You blew up my silver in a big time. Ooh, not all of it. There. Well. Boom. Well. To me, it's trash now. Trashed. Eesh. Got it destroyed. Destroyed it. Destroyed. Wow. Well, that's a big boom boom away. Well, okay, that was my Demolition Derby Monday. If you like seeing me do these explosion, so leave a like. Click on the like if you like. Well, still, if I couldn't destroy the whole place for even 500 TNT, that proves that you're gonna need 1000 TNT to blow up my cops and robbers. So if you also subscribe to my video if you like me doing the kind of these stuff. So yeah, I'll fix some errors I need to work on still here. So yeah.